Good day, class! Welcome once again to the online public school. Ito po yung ating online school para tulungan kayong mga estudyante habang kayo ngayon ay nasa home-based education. Okay, so I draw a point here. Hindi siya kasama sa line. But if I draw a point here, let's say we call, if this is x and y, let's call this, for example, A. Now, itong point na to ngayon, tatlo na to, they fall on the same line. These 3 points, ang tawag sa kanila ay collinear points. Si Z, for example, si Z ay hindi collinear kasi wala siya doon sa line. Collinear points. And tatlo, yung dalawang points, kung dalawang points lang, definitely collinear na kaagad sila kasi 2 points, kahit ano 2 points will determine a line. So, dalawang points lang, collinear agad sila. They can form one line. Pero pag tatlo na, they need to really form into one line. So, para maging collinear. Now, pero let's say may isa pa akong point dyan, meron pa ako dito point, meron pa ako dito point. All these points are collinear points. Okay? And paano mo malalaman kung isang point na collinear is between two other points? Like, let's say, how do you know if A is between X and Y? O nga no, good question. So, in geometry, malalaman mo, madidefine mo na A is between X and Y if si XY, segment XY is congruent. We use the word congruent, hindi equal because we're talking about shapes. The word is congruent. Na? Isipin nyo na lang kung sa numbers yan, kung sa arithmetic, equal yan. But we're talking about shapes, so we use the word congruent. Again, isipin nyo na lang, equal yan. Parang gano'n. XA plus AY. So, kung si XA at si AY congruent to XY, then si A is between X and Y. Ganon. So, very basic definition of being in between or betweenness. Okay, sunod. Dahil meron na tayong napag-usapang collinear, meron na tayong napag-usapang congruent, kasunod na pag-uusapan natin ay coplanar. So, if this, isipin natin itong blackboard is one plane, this C now, hindi siya collinear, not siya collinear, no? Hindi siya collinear, but Z is coplanar. So, lahat sila, so, points X, A, Y, Z are coplanar silang lahat. And pati si line XY, no? Coplanar din. So, they all exist in this one blackboard plane. So, ang tawag sa kanila ay coplanar. Alright? Now, dagdagan pa natin kaya ng ibang lines. Pwede ba? Okay, let's say, nagdagdag pa ako ng ibang lines. Meron akong ibang lines. For example, I have here a point na iba naman. So, this line is, let's say, XM, no? And then, meron na naman akong ibang line. Halimbawa, dito, okay? So, let's say this is N. So, ito si X, ito si M, ito si N. They are, or again, those points are coplanar. Si line XM, si line XY, at si line XN, all of them are called concurrent lines. Concurrent meaning they all of them pass through the same point. Lahat sila ay tumagos sa point X. So, lahat sila dumaan doon. So, they are called concurrent. Now, if I have another line, halimbawa, kinonect ko si line, si Z tsaka si Y into a line. Si line YZ ba ay concurrent din dito sa mga to? No, hindi siya concurrent. So, iba, hindi siya nag-pass to the same point X. So, hindi siya concurrent. So, this is it for now. Balik-balikan nyo lang yung video to review and see you again soon.